Welcome to ARBAPRO's inventory item maintenance video. Inventory is the heart of ARBAPRO Express and the heart of your business. I'm going to go to the inventory button over here on the right hand side of my screen. This is the heart of your store. This is your items, your costs, your prices, your categories. It all starts from this merchandise selection. I'm going to enlarge that a bit so it's a bit bigger. We at ARBA know that your inventory is your most important asset. You have more money tied up in your inventory than in any other area in your business, and ARBAPRO Express will help you manage your investment correctly. When you select the inventory button, as I just did, you'll see your list of items. You can look up the item by the item's barcode, by the item's part number. I'm changing this tab to the part number display. You can look up the item by its description. You can look it up by its department or by its vendor code. Talk about flexible. We're going to take a look at an individual inventory item. Remember that cherry licorice that we rang up at the cash register? We're going to talk about that piece of candy a little bit here. This is the item's barcode number. The product's barcode is the lookup number. One number does it all. That's the number that's used at the register. You can use the manufacturer's number that's right on the product, or you can let ARBAPRO assign a unique one for those items that don't have a barcode. Add a description. Add your department number. This is the category. This is the sales category that this item belongs in. Add a vendor. Add a cost and a price that you'll sell this item for, and it's cash register ready. Here in your vendor area, you have your vendor code. You have your vendor's item number. This is the number that typically shows up on your invoices from this vendor. You have the cost of the item, and since this is a pack quantity item, this is going to divide the cost of the item by 10, giving you your individual cost. On your options screen attached to this item, you can control the discountable status of that item. Remember how when I scanned this item at the register and tried to apply a discount to it, it prevented me and it said this item was non-discountable? This discountable button here is what controls that. We can print price tags, yes or no, for these items. It can be defined as being taxable, yes or no. Your sales history tab is going to give you quantities of information on the activity and productivity of that item in your store. It's going to give you the sales of the item by the month, and it's going to give you the sales of the item by the quarter. Sales history builds as the item sells, so you can make those all-important restocking decisions based on the item's actual performance. We're going to take a look at another inventory item here. Flexibility is the key to your financial success. ARBAPRO lets you fine-tune your merchandise to optimize your pricing and optimize your gross profit margins. We're going to talk about the buy one, get one. If you remember when we sold this Dove bar at the register, the first one rang up at $1.05 and the second one rang up at at 84 cents for a total of $1.89. Price Rule 2 allows you to sell merchandise to optimize customer interest and maximize your gross profit at the same time. Makes this automatic for your cashiers at the register. We're going to take a look at another item. ARBAPRO lets you put together gift baskets and kits in order to sell multiple different items to a customer under a single barcode number. This number here identifies a sweet gift basket. The components, these items, all subtract from the inventory automatically at the time the sweet gift basket itself is sold at the register. And they're sold at their kit price, which is an adjusted price. You set the total price for the kit that you want it to be. And lastly, one of the other really, really important things that you can do for your customers, and for your preferred customers is to put those items on sale for them easily and automatically inside of ARBA Pro. When we look at our large carousel toy house and we go to the on sale tab, for our preferred customer, for John Jacobson, we've put this $34 item on sale at $28. We can track our gross profit. We can control any additional discounts at the register, protecting your all-important gross profit margins. So your cashiers can't override this. I'm going to click on OK and OK again to save any of these changes that I made. And I thank you for exploring ARBAPRO Express's inventory with us.